I'm Brett from Ukulele Tricks, and we're taking a quick look at how to play the B flat major chord on ukulele. To play a B flat major chord, take your index finger and press down or bar the bottom two strings at the first fret. As you do this, be sure you have the ball of your thumb firmly planted behind the neck of the ukulele for maximum leverage and support. Then take your middle finger and place it on the second fret of the C string. Then take the ring finger and place it on the third fret of the top G string. Now this chord's pretty tricky, so give it some practice and you're sure to see some success. And that's the B flat major chord on ukulele. Now this can be a pretty tricky chord, so for some more tips and tricks on this chord, be sure to check out that link in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And to become a better ukulele player, join me over at ukuleletricks.com for more step-by-step, easy-to-follow video lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.